Yo, what's up everyone? This is my first video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we're gonna bring Manchester United back to its glory days. We're gonna start by switching up the tactics. (4-4-2), just like Sir Alex Ferguson used to roll with. Community Shield. Of course, we took the L. Alright, now let's get to the transfers. So yeah, this is our squad for the first season. Halfway through the season, we signed a retired national team player's son as a free agent. We finished 7th in the league this season, which means we did it. Make it to the Champions League. But we made it to the Europa League final against Real Sociedad. We won the game and secured our spot in the Champions League. Here's the player stats for this season. Let's see who grabbed the Ballon d'Or this season. Of course, it's this guy. Here's how our season went down. We're kicking off Season 2 with some transfers. Here you can see how much our players have improved. Can we kick off the season with a trophy? Oh no! If we win the last game, we might just sneak into the Champions League. But before that, here's a look at the player stats. Alright, let's jump into the final match. We won the game. But, yup, Aston Villa took the L, and we secured our spot in the Champions League.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast.
But we got knocked out in the Champions League playoffs. Let's see who grabbed the Ballon d'Or this season. This time, it's the Ninja Turtle.
Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
Alright, Season 3 kicking off. And you know we're starting with transfers.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always
Here you can check how much our players have leveled up. Alright, let's bring in some new players. Here's our squad for Season 3. Here's our players and Dove season stats. This time, we easily secured a spot in the Champions League. And we also topped in the Champions League. But unfortunately, we got knocked out in the round of 16. Let's check who took home the Ballon d'Or this season. Once again, the offside king.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Final season. Before we hit the transfers, here's how much our players have improved. With the extra cash, I upgraded the training facilities to help our players improve faster. Before the final game, we were just 1 point behind City. And of course, the final game was against City. This match decides who wins the league. Before we jump into that match, check out our players' stats for this season. Oh damn, we did it, we won. And yeah, we also made it to the FA Cup final. But, unfortunately, we got knocked out in the Champions League playoffs again. Alright, let's see who grabbed the Ballon d'Or this season. The Ninja Turtle did it again, 3 Ballon d'Ors in a row. Here are our final season results. That's it for part 1. We still gotta win that Champions League. If you want part 2, drop a comment below. This is my first video, so let me know your thoughts in the comments.